In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a strong, secure password that keeps your account safe. First, sign into your Yahoo account using your email address and your current password. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before you enter anything. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar and the correct Yahoo domain. Once you're in, you'll be on the Yahoo homepage or your inbox. Next, move your mouse to the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. A small menu will appear. Click Manage Account. This opens your account settings, where you can control your personal information and security. If you're using a phone or tablet, you might need to tap your profile picture or a menu icon first, but the option is the same. Inside the account settings, look for the Security tab. Open it, then find the section called Ways of Signing In. Select Password. Depending on your setup, Yahoo may ask you to verify it's really you. This could be a quick prompt, a code, or a confirmation on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Now it's time to create your new password. Type a strong one that's unique to Yahoo and hard to guess. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and go longer when you can. Avoid personal details like names, addresses, or birthdays, and don't reuse a password you've used on other sites. A simple tip is to build a memorable phrase and add numbers or symbols in a way only you would remember. Enter the new password, then type it again in the confirmation box to make sure there aren't any typos. When you're confident it's correct, click Continue to save your changes. Yahoo will confirm the update. Be aware that changing your password will log you out on all devices for security reasons. That means you'll need to sign back in on your phone, tablet, and any mail apps using the new password. This is normal and helps protect your account if an old session is still open somewhere. That's it. You've successfully changed your Yahoo password. Keep your new password private, store it somewhere safe if you need to, and consider reviewing your security settings periodically to stay protected. If you ever forget your new password, use Yahoo's recovery options to get back in safely. Thanks for watching, and great job taking this step to secure your account.